friends, I'm Joana from Miranda Studio, and this is my video series, Art Bag, Time-Saving Tips and Tricks. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how I go about creating whimsical illustrations. And I'm going to demo a drawing using just this ballpoint red pen that I happened to find in my mom's pottery studio and one of my water brush pens. I only need these two implements and of course a piece of paper. As I've traveled along the path of illustration, in particular creating whimsical illustrations, I've learned that it's really important to let go and not to take myself so seriously. Sometimes also just using whatever implements I have on hand helps to free up the process. I don't care as much because they're not high quality pens or really fine art paper, and like that there's less pressure riding on the end result. So today I'm using this ballpoint pen that I happened to find in my mother's pottery studio along with my water brush pen. I have really no idea what I'm going to create, but let's just go ahead and see what evolves. Okay, so now I have this funny little drawing, and let's go back in with the water brush pen. And the pen happens to be non-waterproof, so I can have some fun doing a little shading. And all of a sudden, we get a little life here. And I'm not being obviously very careful with how I'm shading. I'm just having a little fun. Give my mouse a red tail. And let's give him a plaid shirt, which is good for the fall. And a little color in his cheeks. And there you have a whimsical, unplanned illustration, fall illustration, done with just a ballpoint pen and a water brush pen. And that's it for today's Art Bag Time-Saving Tips and Tricks video. I post these videos every Monday and Friday. If you like this video, I hope you'll consider giving it 2 thumbs up. Also, why not subscribe to my channel? And if you do, don't forget to toggle on the little bell, because that way you will get a notification every single time I post a new video. Thanks so much for watching.